Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got a cool little flashlight to check out. Just got this today and thought we'd open it up and check this thing out. It's a Ts2 LED self-rescue light from Thrunite. There's some information on the bottom, and on the side it says highlight lamp beads, outdoor sports, emergency maintenance, phone charging. So yeah, I thought this looked kind of cool. I saw a couple of videos on it and thought I'd check it out. Now, I got this off Amazon. You go Amazon now, look it up. I'll put a link down in the description box. It had a 40% coupon, so I got $10 off this. Now it's only, last I looked, it was only 20%, so that'd be $5 off. But normally it's like $29.95, and $30 I don't think it's going to be a bad deal on this. But let's check it out. So it comes in this little foam cutout. Set that there. Check everything else out. I can get to it. So that's just the packing stuff. Here's a charging cable. Here's a little magnetic clip. And here's the paper. So let's look at it. Down here I think is English that I can understand. So LED, Ts2 LED bulb, working voltage 2.7 volt to 4.2 volt, plastic housing, dimensions 31 millimeter by 103 millimeter, weight is 105 grams. We'll weigh it in standard weight here in a minute. Accessories: 21700 USB-C rechargeable lithium battery, the Ts2 LED bulb, silicone battery cover. Guess they're saying that's made out of silicone. 3-in-1 charging cable, a magnetic hook. So on high mode, it's 180 lumens for 11 hours. That's pretty bright. Medium is 40 lumens for 30 hours. Low is 5 lumens for 180 hours. And then you got an SOS mode, and that runs at 118 lumens for 20 hours. So here's all the information again. And then down here talks about the battery, recharging operation, discharging operation, how you can charge stuff. Yeah, so there's that magnetic clip. This clips right on. The base of the flashlight is magnetic, along with this is magnetic. Pretty strong. Obviously, be kind of easy to hit it sideways, although it's not coming off, so that's good. Yeah, see if there's any charge to it. Yeah, so that'd be low. That's 5 lumens. I'll turn the lights off and so we can actually see how it works in a minute. Oh, that's off. So let's turn it back on. So a quick push turns it on. Quick push turns it off. Press and hold. Yep, that goes through the modes. So that's medium, 40 lumens. That'd be high. That's 118 lumens. So this isn't a flashlight. It's not going to be like this Thrunite. There we go. It's not going to project out, you know, in a beam with a hot spot. This is like a lantern. It's lighting all around. So this is a Thrunite BSS V4. I did a video on this. Guess I gotta turn it off. You can go check that out. That's pretty cool. Thrunite sent that one to me. I bought this one. So yeah, that's off. So essentially, you can slide the battery right out. That's just a case, a housing, and you can see the battery down, or the magnet down in the bottom. So that's cool. But, wow, these things do attract each other. Let me tell you, they just snap together. Definitely rolls without the light in it. So, Thrunite Emergency Light Power Bank. That's what kind of intrigued me about this also. Rechargeable battery. It's a 21700 battery, 5000 milliamp hour, 3.6 volt, 18 WH, USB Type-C, charging, green blinking, fully charged is green, discharging is green. So this pops right off, like so. See, it has a USB-C plug. There's the port. And what they were talking about right here, green blinking, fully charged green, is up here. You can see there's 4 little lights. You got 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. So if you push this button for 3 seconds, if I can get on it, there we go. Oh, there, okay. So it's at about 50% charge. Just open it up. So they don't ship it fully charged usually. So you got 50%. If it was fully charged, it'd be 4 lights. So that's pretty cool. Now, like I said, this is the light itself right here. That just plugs in just like that. Came on. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's check this charging cable out. It's a three-way charging cable, which I'm telling you, this is another thing kind of intrigued me. The charging capabilities of this, plus you got 3 different cords. You have one for like an iPhone, lightning cable. You got a micro USB, and you got a USB-C. Get to focus. Then on this end, you have a USB port. So you want to charge this, you would plug in the USB-C right there, plug this into your power bank, your computer, wall plug, whatever, charge the battery up. But if you wanted to use this as a power bank, you would take this off, get to the USB-C on this end, plug that in, take whatever cord you needed, and let's try my old phone here, and plug it in. Is it working? This phone is completely dead. Yeah, see, it's charging. It had 10%. yeah. And the lights are on, so you can see if it's getting way down. I wouldn't try charging the phone or anything unless this was 100%, because you use all the power out of the battery for your phone, then you don't have the light until it's charged. But yeah, that's cool. I like that. Gives it another use. Let's put this together. Take that off for now. And move that over. I think I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna turn all the lights off. It should get pretty dark in this room with all the lights off. And we'll go through the modes on it again. So, be right back. Okay. It is pretty dark in here, let me tell you. Here's my Rovivon A5X is glowing in the dark. That's a cool feature, that one. Yeah, and I gotta find this light. Okay, so that's on low, and yeah, you can see, you can definitely focus. Yeah, you can definitely read by that. You gotta be pretty close, but you can definitely read by the low, and the low is, well, what's the low? I can't remember and I can't see it. Anyways, that's low. That's medium. There we go. That's 40 lumens. Yes, the low is 5 lumen. This is medium at 40 lumen. Yeah, you can definitely read. And yeah, if I put this over towards the middle of the room, I can definitely see. Hang it from a, yeah, maybe that's how we should do it. I'm holding it up, maybe a foot above the desk. Let's try high. There's high. Yeah, that's about a foot or so above the tabletop. You can definitely see. Good spill all around. I'm checking for myself. Yeah, you put this out in the middle of the room, that gives off good light. You can see how bright it is. Let's try again on low. Yeah, if you hold that up, if you hang this from above, that actually gives off pretty good light at 5 lumens. So this would be very good in a tent, in a hammock. You can hang this from the ridge line, from the middle of the top of your tent. 5 lumens. You could definitely see to move around, find something. 40 lumens. And I just turned it off. 40 lumens would definitely probably light up the entire tent where you can see very well. So yeah, let me get the lights back on. Well, let me have the sign so I can see what I'm doing. Bam. 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 I got my camera lights on. So whoops. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. You know, they call it a self-rescue light. On here, you can see it says Ts2 Survival Light. You're not going to use this to find your way out of the woods, middle of the night. You definitely want something like the BSS V4, which is I can't even remember, 2400 lumens or something like that. That's what you'd want. This, I think, would absolutely be great for camping. Like I said, in a tent, hammock camping, even in the camper. Just turn it on, stand it up. Oh yeah, didn't even show you. It's got SOS mode. That's 118 lumens, and it says that'll last for 20 hours. So yeah, if you were lost, broke down along the road or something, definitely could stick this on top of the car or hang it from the guardrail or something, you know. Woods, you could hang it from a tree branch, and that'd be noticeable, you know, from 360 degrees all the way around it. So that's a cool feature. But yeah, like I was saying, camping in a tent, hammock, whatever, you could hang this from the middle of the tent. There's usually a little loop hanging from the ridge line in the hammock. I got it basically in case we lose power. This would come in good for light, you know. Keep it on low or medium, and you'll be able to see in the room. This isn't a big room, but on medium, the 40 lumens, you could move around, see stuff, and see what you're doing. And on medium, it's going to last 30 hours, so that's why I bought it. Was something in case we lose power. It tends to happen around here in the winter time. But also, I thought it'd be cool to have a power bank. If you did lose power, your phone was dying, you could actually charge your phone up enough to use it. But yeah, I think this is not too bad. I know some people really harped on the fact that they call it a survival knife and a rescue light, or survival light, or a rescue light. But yeah, I mean, I guess it is kind of survival. If you lose power and you need some light, it's gonna help you. Cause you know, these things, lights like this, they run out of battery pretty fast. And you can make the decision, use this one or charge this one up or whatever. But yeah, just a quick video unboxing, first impressions. So far, I think it's a pretty neat little accessory. This could definitely go into a emergency kit, pouch. I might put it in my Maxpedition beefy pouch that I have a bunch of stuff in. I take with us when we go someplace. I throw in behind the seat in the truck. But yeah, check these out. Thrunite Ts2 LED self-rescue light. They're listed the regular price $29.99, something like that. Like I said, they had a 40% coupon. Now looks like it's down to 20%. So I definitely check these out. I think it's going to come in handy, especially if we have a power outage. And yeah, I guess that's it. You like these videos as usual, you know, hit the like button, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And until the next video, bye.